Okay, round two on you boys who want to battle. Here's the teacher with the paddle. Discipline, SK, we run circles around. All of you niggas spiritually, you battling farmers, cattle, and fishermen. Ha! I know you don't understand, and I know you hate our guns, but I know you see the cannon. Blam! Put your little niggas and your chicks in my glad bag. After the battle, your squad looking similar to Baghdad. And it's bad, bad. MK going overboard. Playing it off. My niggas flying over yours. I got a lot on my plate, but I gotta eat it. Got giants all in my face, but I gotta beat them. Haters accumulate, joining up to murder me. My family never let that happen. Street surgery. I get 50 to pick your whole block up, then throw it on your niggas till white flags pop up. You DC niggas don't get it. Listen, either give or get beat into submission. Don't make me put the footage up. Don't make me have them haters look you up. Don't make me eat heavy when I cook you up. Looking up and I'm at it again. Blacking again. Attacking again. Before you attack me, I react beast. Put the holes in your mouth. Drown your pop off and fill